What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. Trying to make videos again. So here's my 1996 Ford F-250. It's got a 7.3 on it. Here's the interior. It's just got some stuff in it. It's a project truck. Sitting currently on a 4-inch lift, some 37s, still the TTB front axle. Ranch hand, obviously, CP-Atic front headlights, color match grille. Don't ask me, I got it from Marketplace. I have no idea what brand that is. Rough Country 4-inch, that you're gonna be able to see soon. As you know by the title of the video, we're doing rock lights. Bought a set of 20. We'll see how bright they are. Don't mind the missing lugs. These are Raceline Rock Crushers, I believe. Yeah, that's right. It's a 17 by 10, and then it's a 37, 12, 5, 17. That's the wheel and tire setup. Amazon mirrors, decals by A-Lug Mafia. Obviously I gotta clean out the bed, trying to fix some rust going. 10-inch tip, full 4-inch exhaust, 3-inch downpipe, CP-Atic rear tail lights. I'm not really sure the bumper. Shout out to Work For It. Yeah, overall, that's pretty much what we've done. It's got a Quadzilla 8-position tuner and some glow shift gauges. Under the hood, it's totally stock, minus a air intake. If I can fit through here, it's pretty tight. I'll show you under the hood. Minus the air intake, it's totally stock, no intercooler, nothing. Some front LED pods, big old light bar. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing some rock lights. There they are. I think I already have one that's out. Yeah, right here. So it's pretty bright. Not sure we're gonna mount them on the back. I know 2 in each fender, but that would look real good. Probably up there. So yeah, there's nothing to it but to do it. All right, we got Jake up here. Yeah, I kind of forgot to film this process. Don't look at my wiring. But yeah, we got 2 in each fender, 4 across the body, and 2 in the front fender. Damn, that lights up damn good on camera too.
Tell them your plan for the layout.
Already did, I think. Ooh, got some overspray on the fucking frame. All right, you want to come down here though?
I'm already filming, so whenever you want.
Yeah, you good. All right, start it. All right, so we're just wiring the mounts up, and then we're tapping them on right now. Matching this side, and then those 2 in the back are done. We got 2 more, one there, and then I think I got a couple more. What'd we run out of?
Wire.
We need to get more wire.
Of course we would.
AutoZone's closed.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think of the finished product?
I think it's fucking sweet.
Yeah, so on here we did 20. So 2 in the fender, 4 across the side, 2 up in that fender, 2 in the back. Two in this fender, 4 on this side, 2 up in that one, 2 in the front. I mean, you tell me what y'all think.